If you say to me that you don't face this kind of a problem, then I think you are definitely not from planet Earth. You are a very special person from different planet. Now, what's happening here? There's a friction. This friction is causing a problem. Hello friends. Today I am going to talk on neuro-linguistic programming of our mind. There are few things which we do have heard about neuro-linguistic programming is that neuro-linguistic programming is talking with the mind, and people say that you can tell your mind what to do. Neuro-linguistic programming is something which you have to feed it in your mind, telling that you want this result. If you really want to get to that result, you have to think of a strategy, how you're going to get that result. Now, in this case, one small example I'll tell you. If suppose you want to reduce weight, you want to lose weight. Now, what would you do to lose weight in your mind? You will tell your mind that you're going to eat chocolates and pizza and lose weight. Is it possible? I don't think so it is possible, right? So what are you going to do that extra bit of effort, putting that strategy in your mind that you are going to do a little bit of extra exercise routine, you will start walking, you will start getting up early in the morning, have a little bit of dieting, something extra, right? So these are the things which we will do on a NLP technique, that we will feed our mind telling that we want this result. I think there won't be any person who's working in a corporate or working would not have problem which I'm going to share with you. And if you think that, if you say to me that you don't face this kind of a problem, then I think you are definitely not from planet Earth. You are a very special person from different planet. Jokes apart, what I want to say is there are two people in one company. The relationship between two people is, one is a supervisor, or you can say a boss, or you can say it is a reporting manager or a manager, and the other hand the person would be the reportee, associate, or you can say the subordinate. Now these two people are always there in any company, right? One example, that a new person, who is this person? Let's keep it as a boss, okay? So he has newly joined in this company, and these people who are working in this company from ages are thinking that I know most of the thing about this company, and this person has newly joined and he thinks that I can help the people of this company to go to next level, okay? He has it in mind, but what is happening is he is not putting it across to these people. Now this person has to put it across very openly with these people. Now how will this happen? Does it happen in everyday life? Most of the times what happens is this person demands and he says that I want this, and you have to deliver it on this date, right? Many times we find this kind of problem. Now what is going to happen if this kind of a situation comes? Many times the subordinate or the person feels that, what does this person know about this company? I am working from so many years in this company, and he is coming and demanding from me that you give me these all things. Now what's happening here? There's a friction. This friction is causing a problem. Now how to come out of this problem? A very simple thing. Either this person is not happy with the boss, so what he can do? He can do two things. He cannot change boss. There is no way in this planet that you can change boss. So be rest assured that you're going to have your boss as it is, okay? So you're not changing boss. What you can do is either you leave company, which many people do it on, you can say it's a very normal thing. You can see in any company, if the person is not happy with the boss, they'll leave. Okay, so I'm not suggesting that. Okay, the second way is you change yourself. I'm not saying that you change yourself just to like your boss. No, there is a third way of doing it. Now I'm going to explain on that thing, which many a times I want to say it works really well and it really does its job. And if it doesn't, you can come back to me and tell me. I'll help you a little more. Now, what is this I'm talking about is, you can change the context, strategy, or you can say the approach to do this. How you can change the approach is, first of all, there has to be two things very, very commonly understood in between these two people. This person also needs to put it across with his subordinates that what his is expectation from his team and what he wants from his team, why he wants from his team. So if he is able to tell that to his team that, guys, I want these all things from you because I want to do all these things, and because of all these data what you're going to help me out with, I'm going to make a strategy or help you out with this outcome. So if he is able to put it across very clearly, the expectation with these people, the juniors or the subordinates or the staff, they will understand, okay, yes, I think it makes sense. He or she is not demanding something out of the world. Now, these people also should understand that when this person has set an expectation to him, they are also supposed to set an expectation to their boss. Why? Because they are asking something and you have to be very clear in your mind that what you want help from your boss. You need to ask them and set an expectation, boss, these are the tools which I need to help you out. If you're able to make that expectation that these are the kind of support I need from you to get to this kind of data which you're asking me or the work which you're asking me, he or she will understand that what you're expecting from them, and they will try to help you out. So if this kind of a way or this kind of an approach, the expectation setting between each other, if you are able to do this, I think a lot of conflicts, the problems what we face in our daily work life, I think it will solve to a most extent, I can say. So try this out, this technique, if this helps out. The way of approaching, if you're able to try it out, the approach will definitely make you, like your boss. Or if it doesn't happen, then I think you should think what are the other ways of approaching it. And there may be a lot of chances that the misunderstanding which is happening between the two people would get solved very easily. If this doesn't work out, do approach me and I will help you out a little more with the deeper knowledge on this NLP technique. Until then, much love.